Dr. D-Flo.
Hey guys, we're back with another video on the 6-axis robotic arm. I'm Dr. D-Flo.
And I'm Jeff.
Let's get this started. A couple of people have reached out to me wondering if this robotic arm will work for a specific task, and largely these tasks are dependent on how much the robotic arm can pick up. We're going to pick up different weights and see which axis fails first. So we have our box, which weighs 87 grams. So let's go ahead and pick that up. Not a problem. All right, Jeff, let's put some more weight.
All right, I'll go look for something. What do we got? Paintbrushes. How about some big nuts?
That'll work. So we're at 87, 103. We'll put a couple in. How about 118 grams? Not a problem. Okay. How about, let's see if we can get to 200. Oh, this is 227s.
Oh, man.
Okay. So as you can see there, at 227 grams, we started to see some failure in the wrist. So we're actually going to increase the current to make this motor stronger. We increase the power. Let's see if it can lift 226 grams. Barely. You can still see a little bit of give in the wrist motor. Obviously, you could change this motor out if your application requires you to pick up a lot of weight.
We're just going to move the wrist motor to 90 degrees, so that way we take out the weakest motor, and we can test the strength of these other ones. Easy.
Yeah. So definitely no trouble. That was just the shoulder motor?
Shoulder and this.
Okay.
But pretty much, yeah.
So we'll go ahead and add a little bit more weight for just the shoulder and the arm.
Alright, here we go. Here we go.
520 grams, about half a kilo. Jeff thinks the gripper is going to give out. I have hope. So here we have a beer bottle that's 555 grams, pretty much the same weight as our last load, but it's got a different center of mass and it's more difficult to pick up.
Oh, oops. Alright. Looks okay.
Mm-hmm.
You ready to catch
Yep.
it?
You want to lift it up a little bit higher? Just do it manually.
Yep.
You want to do the forearm a little bit more? So this the wrist is about to... Oh,
Yep.
So you guys can see some separation here. You want to go ahead and open it up. Without using the wrist motor, the robotic arm is good for about 500 grams. Beyond that, you start seeing problems with the gripper. And including the wrist motor, you're good for about 250 grams. I hope this illuminates the capabilities of this robotic arm for you. Jeff, a common question that I've received is, can we put an extruder on this robotic arm and can it 3D print? At about $800, is it worth making this a 3D printer? Or would you be better off buying an actual 3D printer?
Well, this robot only has rotational movement.
So the shoulder curls, the base rotates, the arm curls, the wrist curls.
Right, which means if you want to get some sort of linear movement, you have to use multiple axes. And this will lead to compounding errors.
Okay.
As we saw with our example, we had 2 points programmed on the same plane, but when the robot tried to draw a line from one to the other, it went off that plane. And this is just due to different speeds in the code. And while we could try to go in and change those, it would become far too complex to make it actually worth it.
So let's review. You're saying that it would not be worth converting this to a 3D printer.
Not at all.
Okay. So what is this good at?
It's really good at rotational movement, which means drawing curved lines are you doing anything in polar coordinates.
But what does this mean, like, in an assembly line or actual task?
Well, let's say you want to move things from one area to another. Basically, you want to organize your setup in a more circular orientation.
Okay.
That way you can really exploit the rotational movement.
And it'll be more efficient that way.
Exactly.
I have to run. We only have a couple minutes so far in the video. I need you to finish the rest of it. I'll be back soon. Okay, see you guys. Ugh.
Well, looks like it's just you and me. What should I call you? You kind of look like Iron Man. But that's copyrighted. It's Iron Man. Armin. I'll call you Armin. All right, Armin. Let's finish up the video. Pretty good. No ice cream for you. Sorry. Man, so much work to do. Just need something to help me relax. Gosh. Armand. I don't smoke, but I appreciate the gesture. He's just thinking about me. Armand, you're such a bad influence, man. Trying to get work done, not get drunk, okay? Right now's not the time. Man, I wish there was an easier way to sign up for these accounts. Too bad they're robot proof. Or are they? Hey, Armand. You think you could help me out? Whoa, Armand, be a little more gentle. This is my computer, okay? All right, we're gonna be using Dr. D-Flo's laptop because you weren't being very gentle. Let's give it one more try. Nice, you created your own Imgur account. It was really good. Wait, Armand, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Shoot, is this computer still working? Dang it, D-Flo's gonna be so mad. The screen's just flickering everywhere. Armand, I don't know what you've been doing, but you're sleeping outside tonight. You've been acting so weird.
Please, no! Oh, Armand! Armand, I thought we were friends.
Well, it looks like Jeff's dead. Let me know in the comments below if you want to be my new assistant. There's an opening.
Come on.
Dude, you got food coloring all over my bed.
I died.
I would like to give one last big thank you to Robotours, not only for making this kit available, but also for all their technical assistance to helping us make our 6-axis robotic arm.
And we hope you really enjoyed this video. We just wanted to have a little fun with the technology we were using. So if you like this mix of tech and fun, then let us know in the comments.
Thanks. That's it, right?
Yeah. You literally said thanks. That's it, right?
I've been stabbed 8 times now. I'm bleeding so much.